So I have already created my layer, and now select the shape tool, left click, and then select the parametric shape. I'm going to use the polygon with 5 sides. The fill is black, and now left click and then drag. So here it is, and now select the move tool. I'm going to center it here like this, and now right click on the layer, on the shape layer, select blending options, reduce the fill all the way down to 0, and then left click on the stroke size is 3 pixels, and the fill type color and the fill is black, and then press OK. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer, so right click, duplicate layer, and now we are on the move tool. Make sure on the move tool, check the transform controls, and now in order to scale your layer proportionally, hold the Alt key and then scale it from one of the handles. So here it is, and now I'm going to rotate this layer. So I'm just going to place my cursor here outside, so as you can see it changes the shape of the cursor, and then rotate it. So I'm going to rotate it like this, and now hold the Alt key, the Control key and the Shift key, and then press T to make copies here. And now make sure to select your last copy. So for me the copy is 49. Scroll down and then hold the Shift key and then left click here on the first shape. So here as you can see we have selected all the shape layers, and now just click on this icon here to place them on the new folder on the layer group. So here it is. Now I'm going to hide this one here. I'm going to try another one. So select the background layer. Let's select the shape tool again. So this time I will select polygon. So for example, I'm going to change it to 6 sides, press enter. And now let's create the shape. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, like this. And now same thing as before, select the move tool, right click on the shape layer, this one here, the polygon with 6 sides, select blending options, reduce the fill to 0, check the stroke. So stroke 3 pixels with black color, press OK. Now I'm going to place it here like this, and now I'm going to duplicate it. So right click, duplicate, and now I'm going to scale it down just as before. Hold the Alt key and then scale it down from one of the handles. This time when rotating your layer here, so I'm going to move the center here point here of the rotation. I'm going to move it here, and now I'm going to rotate my layer. So as you can see my cursor changes. I'm going to rotate my layer like this, and now just as before, hold the Alt key, the Shift key and the Control key and then press T to make the copies. So here it is, and now as before select the last copy, the copy 74 for me. Scroll down and then select the first layer here, the first shape layer, hold the Shift key and then select it. So it selected all the layers, and then just click on this icon here, the new folder, to place them on a group. Now you can also, for example, bring your own shape or image. So let's select the background layer. I'm going to bring my shape. So I'm going to use this heart shape here. So now I'm going to right click, rasterize, and then hold the Alt key and then scale it down. And now just as before, right click, make sure for example from a layer it doesn't have a background, it's PNG. Right click, select blending options. Reduce the fill all the way to 0 and then check the stroke. So for example for the stroke you can also change the color. So for me I'm going to leave it like this, and the position outside, stroke 3 pixels, and then press OK. Now duplicate your heart layer, right click, duplicate layer, hold the Alt key to scale it down. And now let's rotate it just as before like this. And now just as before, hold the Alt key, Shift key and the Control key and then press T to create the copies. So here it is, and now let's select the last copy, scroll down and then select the first one, this one here, and then just place them on the group. And now I'm going to select the move tool and check transform control. So here it is, this is our heart shape, and this is the polygon here where we changed the rotation center, and this is the first one.